Hey, welcome to Shana and the Hook. Today we're gonna be making a Christmas deer. I will use these two different colors yarns of 3mm, a hook of 3.5mm and a needle. Let's begin. Let's start with the magic ring. Now chain 2 and do 9 double crochet into the ring. The first 2 chains will be our fake double crochet, so in total we should get 10 of them. Now close the ring and do slip stitch in our first double crochet, not the fake one, but in our first one. Chain 2 and then double crochet in each stitch. At the end, do a slip stitch again in our first double crochet. Now chain 2, and in this round we will alternate 2 double crochet in one stitch and then 1 double crochet. So we should follow this pattern: 2 double crochet into the same stitch and then 1 double crochet in the next stitch. Then again 2 double crochet into the same stitch and 1 double crochet into the next one. At the end, do a slip stitch again in our first double crochet. Chain 2, then do 1 double crochet, 1 double crochet, 2 double crochet. So it means that we do 1 double crochet in one stitch, then 1 double crochet in the next stitch, and then 2 double crochet into the same stitch, and alternate till the end. At the end, do a slip stitch again in our first double crochet. Now I'm going to chain around 20 times just to create that big loop so I can use that ornament feature for my Christmas tree. And you can chain more, it's totally up to you. At the end I'm just going to do a slip stitch into the same stitch where I started chaining this loop. Then I'm going to cut the yarn and hide it with the needle. And now let's make the ears. They're super easy. We start with a slip stitch and then chain 6. single crochet into the second chain from the hook. Now do half double crochet, double crochet, now again half double crochet, and single crochet in our next chain and the last one. Now we will do the slip stitch into the same last chain, just like to turn around, and we will repeat all that we've just done but on the other side. We do single crochet in our last chain from the other round, and then just all the way till the end we do half double crochet, half double crochet, single crochet, and again a slip stitch just to connect our two rows. And I'm also putting the end of the yarn on top of my hook, so when I'm crocheting it can be hidden in our stitches. So this is what we've got, and now we just need to do the same for the second ear. And let's crochet our antlers. I'm going to use a different color yarn, start with a slip stitch and then chain 10. Now single crochet into the second chain from the hook and single crochet into the next two chains. Now chain 3, single crochet into the second chain from the hook, then single crochet 1 into the next chain and single crochet into the very first stitch where we started our chain. Now again we are going to chain 3, then single crochet into the second chain from the hook, single crochet 1 into the next chain and single crochet into the very first stitch from where we chained 3. And single crochet till the end of the row. Now I'm going to cut the yarn and cover the hole that we've got where we were chaining with the needle. Now repeat the same for the second antler. And the final step is just to stitch everything together. I'm going to stitch in the back loop of both parts, this way it's not going to be visible to the stitch itself, or when we're mixing different colors it's also not going to be visible. It's really my favorite technique. And yoo-hoo! Completed! We've done everything. Now we can just enjoy our creation, put it on the Christmas tree or use it for something else. As you can see, I crocheted already the second one and really excited to give them a useful touch. Thank you for watching this video, hit the like if it was useful, subscribe to my channel, happy holidays and happy crocheting. Bye!
We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish